Is your Cricket Wireless LTE not working? Here's why. Cricket operates on AT&T's network using LTE 4G and 5G. LTE issues typically arise from signal interference, incorrect band prioritization, or APN misconfigurations. The APN is the gateway for your data connection. Network congestion, especially in urban and rural areas, and the ongoing transition to 5G can also cause LTE dropouts. We will show you how to prioritize LTE to fix the issue. You can also improve connection by updating your APN settings. First, force LTE or 5G through your phone settings to bypass automatic mode and connect more reliably. Next, check and correct your access point name settings. The standard Cricket APN is endo with specific details for username, password, server, and MMS settings. Finally, use an app like Network Cell Info Lite to force specific bands, such as 1700-2100 MHz for band 4 LTE, to connect to stronger towers and reduce 5G interference. Always restart your device after making these changes to apply them and improve your Cricket wireless data connection.